How to mute hashtags on X. Did you know that you can filter out content you don't want to see on the X app? With a few clicks I'll show you, you'll be able to enjoy using the X app without unwanted content. Let me show you how. Open the X app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon. Then tap on the arrow next to Settings and Support. Swipe up and you'll see two new fields. Open Settings and Privacy. Find and click on Privacy and Safety. Then open the Mute and Block section. To filter out unwanted content, open Muted Words. You need to add the words you want to mute. After you do that, you won't receive notifications for posts that include those words. Additionally, posts with those words won't appear on your home timeline. Now let's add some words. Tap the blue plus button. In the field at the top of the screen, enter the hashtag and the word you want to mute. If you want to mute the word from your home timeline as well, make sure to enable the home timeline option. Next, let's specify the duration for muting the word. Tap on For How Long in the Duration section. You can mute the word forever, for 24 hours from muting, for 7 days from muting, or for 30 days from muting. Choose the option you prefer. Finally, save the information by clicking on Save. I'll repeat the process one more time. This time I'll add 2 words at once. You can add more words too, just remember to include the hashtag before each new word. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope I've helped and that with this trick you'll enjoy using the X app even more. Like the video, leave comments and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.